Hi, welcome to Comprehensive English Lab. If you're new to IELTS and struggle with fast audio, diverse accents, tricky words, or confusing synonyms in listening, then great news. This series is for you. Here, we use the real test format, but with simpler language to build active listening skills. Step by step, no stress, just steady progress. Feel good? Let's dive in ASAP and improve IELTS listening together.
You will hear a talk given to members at a tourist information center. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5.
Welcome, everyone. I hope you enjoy your stay in our village and like the local views. First, I will tell you where the places are in the village. After that, I will talk about the forest and mountain walks. We are now in the Tourist Information Center. When you go out, you are on Willow Lane. The pond is just across the road. If you want to go to the supermarket to buy food and water, turn right when you leave the center. This is the fastest way. At the end of Willow Lane, turn right again. The supermarket is the second building on the right, opposite the old train station. If you want to go climbing and need equipment, there is a climbing shop nearby. When you leave the center, turn left. Walk up Willow Lane until you reach Pine Street. Turn left and walk past Mountain Road. Take the next left turn. You will see the climbing shop there. If you see a small building that sells ski tickets, you have gone too far. The museum is also on Pine Street. It is small, but very interesting. It shows the history of the village and gold mining. From the Tourist Information Center, go out and turn left onto Willow Lane. Walk up Willow Lane until you come to Pine Street. Turn left onto Pine Street. Walk along Pine Street past the town hall until you see Mountain Road on your right. The museum is at the beginning of the Mountain Road. If you want to take an easy forest walk, you can rent a bike. To find the bike shop, go to Pine Street. You will see the town hall on the left. Just before it, there is a small road. Go down this road. The bike shop is behind the town hall. There are many bikes to choose from. If you feel hungry after walking all day, I suggest our local cafe. When you leave the center, turn right and follow Willow Lane to Pine Street. The cafe is across the train tracks opposite the road.
Before you hear the rest, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10. Now listen carefully and answer questions 6 to 10.
Now I will tell you about the walking tracks. All tracks start at the end of Mountain Road. There is a parking area there. The North Point track is easy. It goes through a low forest. It is good for bikes and families with small children. At the end, there is a small wooden hut. You can sleep there, but you need to bring your own sleeping bag and cooking tools. The Silver River track follows the river. You can see many local birds. Some parts have thick forest. The signs are not very clear, so you need a good map. Valley Crossing has very nice views, but some parts are hard. You need to climb over big rocks, so you must be fit. Stonebridge is short, but very steep. It goes up to a waterfall. You need to be strong to walk this track. The Henderson Ridge track goes to the top of the mountain. The weather can change quickly. When it is cloudy, it is easy to get lost. Please check the weather with us before you go. On the way up, there is a hotel where you can sleep and eat good food.
This is the end of the recording.